NUS law professor Tey Tsun Hang's failure to report his relationship with ex-student Darinne Ko to the school was highlighted on day 5 of the Sex for Grades corruption trial. Prosecution witness Swee, Senior Associate Director of NUS Human Resource Office, had earlier made a statement to the Corrupt Practices Investigation Bureau that Tey did not report his relationship with Darinne to the head of the law faculty, even though he should have. All NUS staff members are required to make full disclosure once they realize they could potentially violate the school's code of conduct and conflict of interest policy. But when Madam Lee was called to the witness stand, it was revealed during the cross-examination by Tey himself that her statement to CPIB was in fact drafted for her in full. Madam Lee also agreed with Tey that staff members can be disciplined when they fail to declare, but for such a case to be reported to CPIB was a first as far as she could remember. Earlier in the day, Tey also cross-examined CPIB officer CHEN, who took Ms. Ko's first statement at the bureau last April. Tey accused Ms. Peng of having selective perfect memory. He noted that Ms. Peng had to refer to her investigation diary frequently when asked to recall the sequence of events during Ms. Ko's interview. But when asked about contentious parts in Ms. Ko's first statement that differ from her court testimony, Ms. Peng was able to confirm that those parts were recorded verbatim. Tey also put it to Ms. Peng that the reason why her superior Teng Ki-fat asked for a one-to-one meeting with Ms. Ko after 12 hours of interrogation was because Ms. Peng had failed to crack her as instructed, and Ms. Peng disagreed. Ms. Peng also said she did not know of any agreement that may have been made during the one-on-one meeting before she proceeded to record Ms. Ko's statement. This differed from Ms. Ko's earlier court testimony that her recording officer, Ms. Peng, was only willing to record statements that fell within the parameters of her agreement with Teng Ki-fat, especially in relation to her gifts to Tey. Other witnesses who took the stand also include EILEEN, a financial services director from NUS, Akira Go, the sales manager of CYC, the custom shop, the COASTA DESMOND, a Republic Poly student who sold Ms. Ko an iPod Touch, and Tey Tsun Hang, the CPIB officer who recorded Tey's first statement. Catch our next clip for more revelations from Mr. Bay.